Hi, are you interested in building your own electronic product? Today DTRI brings you embedded product building kit, and at the end of the video you will see what more comes for you with this kit. You can use this kit for product prototyping, and now let us see what are the contents of this kit and how you can use this to build your first electronic product prototype. The kit contains an STM32 Nucleo F401RE board mounted with a detachable DTRI rich peripheral board that comes with a host of peripherals like one red and one blue LED, a tricolor LED, an easy to operate potentiometer, two tactile switches, and many connectors bringing our signals for I2C and SPI protocols. You can program the Nucleo board using the cable provided with the kit. The kit comes with a 4-digit 7-segment display and also a low-powered multicolor SPI protocol based TFT display. There is also a high accuracy and simple I2C based temperature humidity module. This kit also has an RTC module along with the 3 volts coin cell that you can use to create real-time clock project. There is a set of jumper wires that you can use to quickly interface any module to the board. As a bonus, this kit comes as part of a course fees and you can take home and work on projects and assignments during the course. Also, you can purchase the kit without joining any of our courses, and you can get access to our operating manual, Git link to programs, and video tutorials on various projects. Click on like if you found this interesting and type kit in the comments, and we will reach out to you with more details. Thank you for watching, and in the next video we will show you how to work with the different sensors and modules given with this kit.